What is up, everybody? Zach from Redwood Chronicles. Got another product coming to you from Tesstudio for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. This time it's a screen swivel mount. If you're like me and you bought this car to commute in, there's not really a point in having a screen face in the middle, so it'll be nice to just kind of rotate it towards me because I'm primarily driving this thing by myself. So let's go ahead and get the stuff opened up, show you guys what's in the box, and then we'll get to the install. Thing's nice and stout. So in the box you got 3 different trim pieces here. The mount's really stout, heavy, nicely built, good. Happy to see that because it's going to be supporting the screen. A couple different bolts, the tools you need to do everything, and then some instructions. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now the first thing you'll want to do is turn your screen off. So hit the button down there. You just go here and type in off, and right here say power off. That. So first thing we're gonna do is pop off this little piece here. So use that pry tool they gave you. So this is the temperature sensor that we're gonna unplug. So you can see right here, you can depress that. And then this should pop off. And then we'll use the provided Torx bit to take off these 2 screws here, because we're going to replace this trim piece with a trim piece that came. And there's your actual temperature sensor that you're pulling off. So next we'll pull out the 2 bolts here that are holding the screen with that provided wrench they gave you. Okay, so once you have those 2 screws out, this is gonna feel really weird. You're gonna have to trust that it's gonna work. It'll be hard to pull this screen out. I found that if you kind of just like wiggle it a little bit, it'll eventually come out. It does feel like it's gonna break, but just kind of wiggle it back and forth and you're good to go. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this little trim piece here, so it'll be easier to unplug the screen. Okay, now that we've got that, we can see into here way better. And we'll go ahead and unplug the screen. Peel that white piece off there for now. And then there's a little push button on the back side. There's 1, and then this button on this side right here. There's 2. Now we'll go ahead and put the screen out of the way. Go ahead and peel this trim piece off. Set this aside. Now we're going to take the included bracket, and this is going to slide into that stock bracket, just like that. So once you have that bracket slid on there, you'll go ahead and slide this cover piece over. Oops. Make sure you get the wires through it first. Then once you have that slid over, you want to make sure it's around the end of the rim and the bottom. Then you'll take the 2 10mm stock bolts. Want them snug, but we also don't want to break the plastic, so don't get too froggy with it. So we're going to take that last bracket cover that comes with the kit and go ahead and put it over the 2 screen wires. Leave the temperature sensor wire out, and then we'll go ahead and we'll plug the screen back in. So once you have your screen plugged back in, we'll go ahead and lift it up a little bit so we can get this trim piece on there. Around. There we go. So then we'll take these guys, and those will go on the side there. So you can see how it will just slide into that notch right there. Then we will secure using the two provided Allens. That's going to go right on the bottom. So we have the provided new trim piece with that factory temperature sensor. As you can see, it will only go on one way. So we'll use those original screws that we used. Okay, now that we have that installed, we'll put the clip back on. Clip that in, and then this is gonna go. Push those wires to the side, give that sensor a little bit more room, so I'm not forcing it. All right, get those two bigger tabs in the front, and then snap all that into place. So now we have a swiveling screen. Like I said, I commute, so it'll primarily just be pointed towards me like that. Pretty sweet, super stoked on it. Quick, easy install. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it helps you out. Don't forget to use code Redwood at checkout. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.